Today I'm gonna be making grilled chicken thighs with a summer parsley salad. I'm gonna start by picking flat leaf parsley off of the stems. I'm also going to pick the leaves off of celery stalks. The thinly sliced red grapes, segmenting oranges, stay in between the membranes and just get the meat of the fruit out. Now I'm gonna be assembling the summer parsley salad. Flat leaf parsley leaves, celery leaves, the sliced red grapes, the orange supremes, the toasted slivered almonds, rice vinegar, vegetable oil, granulated sugar, and there you have it, our summer parsley salad. Now we're ready for the grill. I'm gonna take my chicken thighs. I'm gonna brush it with some olive oil on both sides. Going to season it with my dry rub, which is a mixture of paprika, black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. And these are all ready for the grill. Out at the grill, getting ready to place my chicken thighs on the grill. Take about 25 minutes or until we reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Oh man, they look beautiful. Beautiful caramelized skin. Let's get these off. All right, now we're gonna plate our summer parsley salad with chicken thighs. And I'm Chef Greg from OCC, and if you like what you saw today, come learn with me.